Okay, we're going to try this again. This video is about replacing the rollers. These 3 rollers on the quarter windows. This is my '68 Cougar, and first time I did this video I must have hit the button twice and it didn't record. So unfortunately these have already been put in. I've already done the other side as well, but these windows there's 5 of these on the car, and 2 on the main window, 3 on the quarter window. You see this one is totally busted up, so that is definitely a replacement. This window is really in poor shape, pulling it out. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to drill those out and install the new pieces. The pieces I've got, they're not easy to find. NPD sells the rivets, but not the actual roller pieces. These nice white ones I have installed here. I ended up buying these from a company called Mustangs, etc., Van Nuys, California, and I think CJ Pony Parts, after the fact I saw that they do sell them. They have them at $15 a pair. I think CJ, this Mustangs, etc., had them for about $9 a pair. You need 10 for the whole car. So with shipping, it was expensive. It was like $85, $90 to get everything shipped to me. So I got that, and we'll go from here. Alright, so the drill press, I've got a 21/64 drill bit. And just go ahead and put a couple of drops of cutting oil on those. Keep them from getting too hot. And go ahead and get those drilled out. I guess I need to lower that down a bit. Let's see if we can do this. Filming and drilling at the same time. Alright, so the first mistake I made, the 21/64 is too big, and I got a little too aggressive. It went through really quickly on that first drill. You can see how that started going into the pot metal right away. So then I didn't drill as far on this one, and then ended up having to use a bit of a still needed to use a pry bar underneath it and whack the pry bar to get the roller off. So we got one left here. I've downsized to 9/32, and I'm just going to do a little more drilling on this one. Sorry, it keeps going out of focus on there. We're going to finish that up and then pry that out. So this is a little more drilling on the back roller, and we're just going to go ahead and, of course I can't do this all at the same time, but we're just going to punch that through. And but when that didn't work on the last one, what I ended up doing was taking a wonder bar, sticking it underneath there, striking the wonder bar, and it pulled it right off. Okay, now that we got them all drilled out, the way this works is just going to stack these up this way. That guy goes on there. Might be easier to do this after the fact, but we're going to need to get something to stick underneath there. Alright, so I got a little scrap of wood supporting the window on the cement floor here. So I got something very sturdy behind it. And I'm going to take my chisel that I built in high school, shop class, and we're going to give it a whack this way and a whack that way. Alright, so that's using the chisel, straight edge chisel, and next is going to be a punch, and we're going to go right on top there. Sorry about the fingers in the... Alright, so that gets it to a point where it's going to at least hold on, but then that punch is not big enough. So what I've done is taken a carriage bolt, and well, this one's not going to work as well because it's not going to fit down in there as nice as it did when I did it over here. You can see this one worked out pretty nice. That, get it in focus here. So I just put the carriage bolt on there, whacked it good enough until it stopped moving, and that got us a pretty good tight rivet hold. So as of right now, I mean, this is holding on, but definitely has a lot more play in it than I would like it to have. So I'll find something a little smaller, give that a good whack on the top. Okay. Smaller carriage bolt. Gotta go on top of there. And lens is on the wrong side of the iPad, but we'll give that a couple of whacks. And there you go. It's on there pretty well now. Not too tight. Definitely rolls a lot nicer than the old ones did. So I got two of them with these two so far with the backing rollers. This other one here originally didn't have the back piece on it, so I'm going to give that a shot without it and see how that all goes. But pretty much that's the gist of it. Good luck trying to find the parts that you need. I ended up paying 85 bucks, I think, for 10 of these. You need 5 on each side of the car, 3 on the quarter windows, 2 on the main windows, but hopefully it pays off. Alright, before we get this all back together, I'm going to go ahead and clean up these channels. Got a wire wheel. Just going to clean up as best we can in the channels. Get another wire brush and clean up all this rust and stuff that these rollers are going to go into. Make sure that we never have to do this project again.